guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the surd. What is the surd? What are the example and order of surd? And what are the type of surd? So before we start our video, first like and subscribe our channel so that you can learn about the more videos and more information about the math. So start from the surd. So, what is a surd? Surd is an expression which has at least one term involving a radical sign. So, what is the important in the surd? It contains a radical term. So, what are the examples? Let's suppose we can say this is a radical sign, it's 2. So, this is a surd. If we say a minus 4, so it is also a surd example. We can also say like 3 is radical sign, radical power, or you can say index. This is 5 upon 10. It can be simple, but we can say this is a surd. And also if we write like this, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. So this is also a surd example. So these are the example of surd. Surd is an expression which contains involving a radical terms, which is very important of this surd. So now we have some example and we will discuss about the what are the order of surd. Now let's talk about some examples and order of surd. So we have few examples. Example number 1 is 5 upon 7, which is also we can say is a surd. So if we talk about the order of this, so order is of this surd is second. Why it is second? It is because it's here in radical signs we say uh, 2. Like if we write like this, 5 upon 7, we can write like this 1 upon 2. So this is the order of surd. And if we have another example is 5, root 5, and we have index is 3. So we will say this is the order of 3, third, right? And if we say root 10 is 7, so the order of this surd is 7. So now we have another example and you will say like this is surd, but I will show you like this is not a surd. So first check it like what are the surds and what is the order of that surd. So let's suppose if we say 27 root 727, if we have the index is 3. So this is can be simplified like this way. 27 and power is 1 upon 3 because index is 3. So if we solve it like 3 की power 3 and we say 1 upon 3. So 3 is 3 cancel. Now we have the answer is 3. So this is not surd. This example shows that this is not surd because it do not has any radical sign. Right? So this is not surd. If we have another example is 1 upon 4 root. So we simplify like this way, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 is the power. And we can simplify like this way, 1 upon 2, power 2, and 1 upon 2. So 2 say 2 cancel. So the answer is 1 upon 2. So we do not have any radical sign in this answer. So this is not surd. So first you have to check like the equation and expression is a surd or not. Like in other above 3 example, this cannot be simplified in any way. So we have a radical signs like here we have 5 upon 7. It cannot be simplified more. So this is the surd and also have the order is second. And if we have the another example is root 5 which has 3 index. So it cannot be solved furthermore. So we have this is called is the third example and order is third. And if we have 7 root 7 under root 10. So it's also a third example and order is 7. So these are the example and order of third. So just check, first check like this is the third or not. If it is simplify and radical sign is removed or cannot come in the final answer, so this is not a third example. Like these two examples. Now let's talk about what are the type of third. Now let's talk about the type of surds. So surds we have few types in surds. Like first one is monomer, monomial surds. As it shows in the name, like is monomial. So mono is shows single. So if we have the single term of a radical sign, so it is called monomial. And examples are 53, a minus 9, and 4 upon 5. Second term, and if we talk about the order of that is these examples, so order is second order. This is also a second order. If we have here is 3, so it's third order, right? So this is the example of the monomial search. And if we talk about the other example is binomial search. Binomial search. So if we talk about the binomial search contains the sum and difference of two monomial sets, or one is search and other one is rational number. For example, we have like root 3 minus root 5. So these all two are search and search like monomial search, and both have the different sign. So this is called binomial search. We have another example, like let's suppose we have root 3, but we have any rational number, so it's also a called binomial search. It's also called binomial search. So this is the example of binomial search. So I hope you will understand all the lectures. So please subscribe our channel for more information and for more